The ostrich, a creature of sheer wonder, stands as the largest and fastest bird on Earth, though it defies gravity by staying firmly on the ground. With its long legs and powerful stride, the ostrich can outrun many of its predators, reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour. This flightless bird, native to the vast savannas and arid regions of Africa, has adapted superbly to its environment, where it thrives despite its inability to take to the skies. Ostriches are easily recognizable by their massive size and distinctive appearance. A fully grown male ostrich can reach up to 9 feet in height and weigh as much as 320 pounds, making it the heaviest bird alive. Their plumage is quite distinct. Males typically sport black feathers with white wingtips and tail feathers, while females and young males have more subdued brownish-gray plumage. These colors serve as excellent camouflage in their natural habitats, blending seamlessly with the arid landscapes they inhabit. The ostrich's legs are one of its most remarkable features. Long, muscular, and built for speed, these legs not only enable the ostrich to sprint at incredible velocities but also serve as powerful weapons. When threatened, an ostrich can deliver a formidable kick capable of fending off potential predators, including lions. Each leg is equipped with 2 toes, with the larger toe featuring a formidable claw that enhances their defensive capabilities. Although ostriches are flightless, their wings are far from useless. The large, feathered wings help the bird maintain balance while running at high speeds and are also used in courtship displays to attract mates. During these displays, males will fan their wings out and engage in an elaborate dance, showcasing their strength and vitality to potential mates. This behavior is crucial during the breeding season, where competition among males can be intense. The ostrich's diet is as diverse as the African landscape it inhabits. Omnivorous by nature, ostriches consume a variety of plants, seeds, and fruits, but they won't shy away from eating insects, small reptiles, and even small mammals when the opportunity arises. Their unique digestive system allows them to extract maximum nutrients from their food, and they can survive for long periods without water, deriving moisture from the plants they consume. Ostriches are highly social birds, typically found in groups ranging from small family units to large flocks of up to 50 individuals. These flocks are often led by a dominant male, who takes on the responsibility of protecting the group from predators. This social structure is particularly beneficial during breeding seasons when males and females work together to care for their young. During the breeding season, ostriches build communal nests, which are simple depressions in the ground lined with feathers and other soft materials. A dominant female, known as the major hen, will lay her eggs in the center of the nest, while other females, or minor hens, lay their eggs around the perimeter. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird species, with each one weighing around 3 pounds and measuring up to 6 inches in length. Despite their size, these eggs are remarkably lightweight, thanks to their thick, porous shells, which allow oxygen to reach the developing chicks inside. Once the eggs are laid, both the male and the major hen take turns incubating them, with the male typically taking the night shift while the female takes over during the day. This shared responsibility helps ensure that the eggs remain safe from predators and harsh environmental conditions. After about 42 days of incubation, the eggs hatch, and the chicks emerge, already well developed and ready to follow their parents. Ostrich chicks are precocial, meaning they are born with their eyes open and are able to walk and forage within hours of hatching. This early development is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to keep up with the group and avoid potential dangers. Despite this, the first few months of life are fraught with challenges, and many chicks fall prey to predators such as jackals, hyenas, and birds of prey. As the chicks grow, they are cared for by both parents, who fiercely protect them from potential threats. The male ostrich, in particular, plays a vital role in defending the young, using his size and strength to ward off predators. This protective behavior is a key factor in the survival of ostrich chicks, as it significantly increases their chances of reaching adulthood. Ostriches have evolved several unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in the harsh environments of Africa. One of these adaptations is their ability to regulate their body temperature, which is essential for surviving in the extreme heat of the savanna. Ostriches have a specialized respiratory system that allows them to dissipate heat through their breath, and they can also increase blood flow to their skin to release excess heat. The ostrich's eyes are another marvel of evolution. They are the largest of any land animal, measuring nearly 2 inches in diameter, and provide the bird with exceptional vision. This keen eyesight allows ostriches to spot predators from a great distance, giving them ample time to flee or defend themselves. Additionally, their eyes are protected by long, thick eyelashes, which help shield them from the sun and wind-blown sand. In addition to their physical adaptations, ostriches have developed a range of behaviors that help them survive in their environment. For example, when faced with a threat, ostriches will often lie flat on the ground, stretching their necks out along the surface to blend in with the surroundings. This behavior can make them nearly invisible to predators, particularly in the open plains where they live. Ostriches are also known for their impressive endurance. While they are capable of short bursts of incredible speed, they can also maintain a steady pace for long distances, which is essential for traveling across the vast expanses of the African savanna in search of food and water. This endurance, combined with their speed, makes them one of the most formidable animals in their habitat. The ostrich's role in its ecosystem is significant, as it contributes to the health of its environment in various ways. By consuming a wide range of plant materials, ostriches help to disperse seeds across the landscape, promoting plant diversity. Their droppings also enrich the soil, providing essential nutrients that support the growth of vegetation. Despite their resilience, ostriches face several threats in the wild, primarily from habitat loss due to agricultural expansion and human encroachment. Additionally, ostriches have been hunted for their feathers, meat, and leather for centuries, leading to population declines in some areas. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect these magnificent birds and ensure their survival for future generations. Ostriches have also been domesticated in many parts of the world, particularly in Africa and the Middle East, where they are farmed for their meat, eggs, and feathers. Ostrich farming has become a significant industry, providing economic benefits to many communities. However, it is essential to manage these practices sustainably to avoid overexploitation and ensure the long-term viability of wild populations. In addition to their economic value, ostriches hold cultural significance in many regions. In some African cultures, ostriches are revered as symbols of strength and endurance, and their feathers are used in traditional ceremonies and rituals. This cultural importance has helped to raise awareness about the need to protect these birds and their habitats. The ostrich's place in the animal kingdom is unique, and its story is one of adaptation, survival, and resilience. From its remarkable physical characteristics to its complex social behaviors, the ostrich is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. As we continue to study and learn from these fascinating birds, we gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and the delicate balance that sustains it. Ostriches live mainly on vegetation but also take some animal food, mostly insects. They can go without water for long periods. Breeding males emit lion-like roars and hisses as they fight for a harem of 3 to 5 hens. A communal nest scraped in the ground contains more than a dozen shiny, whitish eggs. The major hen of the harem may get rid of some of the eggs to make incubation more manageable. The male sits on the eggs at night, the females take turns during the day. The chicks hatch in about 40 days and when a month old can keep up with running adults. To escape detection, chicks and adults may lie on the ground with their necks outstretched, a habit that may have given rise to the mistaken belief that the ostrich buries its head in the sand when danger threatens. Ostrich plumes adorned the helmets of medieval European knights, and in the 19th century, such plumes were sold for women's finery. This demand led to the establishment of ostrich farms in South Africa, the southern United States, Australia, and elsewhere, but the trade collapsed after World War I. Ostriches are now raised for their meat and hide, providing soft, fine-grained leather. The birds have been trained for saddle and sulky racing, but they tire easily and are not well suited for training. They do well in captivity and may live 50 years. The ostrich is typical of a group of flightless birds called ratites. Ostrich populations differing slightly in skin color, size, and egg features formerly were considered separate species, but now they are considered to be merely races of Struthiocamelus. Most familiar is the North African ostrich, S. Camelus, ranging, in much reduced numbers, from Morocco to Sudan. Ostriches also live in eastern and southern Africa. The Syrian ostrich of Syria and Arabia became extinct in 1941. The ostrich is the only living species in the genus Struthio,